That's not gonna work. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long. I am so sorry. I have been struggling with this thing called depression. I don't know if you guys know her, but she's a real bitch. Okay, but I'm back. We're back in business, babies. So today, as you guys can see, I am in a different space. Actually going to be shooting this video in my garage. What I have planned for today is a little bit messy. What we're going to be doing today is actually kind of bleach dyeing, kind of not. We're going to be tie-dyeing some like old sweatpants that are pink. I saw these pairs of, I saw a pair of sweatpants that were inspired by Pink's hot dog stand in LA. If you guys have been to LA, or you guys know LA, or you guys even live in LA, you guys know like the infamous hot dog stand that's been around literally forever. But yeah, Dolls Kill made a collab with Pink's, and it was just like pink sweatpants, but pink on pink tie-dye. I don't have $70 right now because I don't have a job, and it's still like Corona season. Like, I'm just gonna have to make them myself. Let me show you some supplies that I have. This is the color of pink that I want to do on top of the pink sweatpants. I personally have never tie-dyed or bleach dyed anything. The reason I'm doing this is not just because like the Dolls Kill like sweatpants were inspired by it, but if you guys have been keeping up with the trends, bleach dye sweats are a DIY must right now, and tie-dye is in, so I might as well just save a couple bucks and do this myself. It says to wear protective gloves. We're gonna have to go back inside and get a gallon of steaming hot, all caps, steaming hot water. And I got this in case I needed to, like, you know, squirt. Sorry, that's inappropriate. Some rubber bands, because I didn't have them. Those are the supplies you will need if you want to do this tutorial. Before we get started on this video, I want to go ahead and give a quick shout out to Influencer who has shipped me some products to review, and I will be linking my Instagram down below in the description. If you guys don't already follow me, go ahead and check me out on that, because that is where I will be putting all the reviews for all these products. I just want to show you guys what they have provided. It's the spring into summer box. I got a nude stick. It's like a bronzer. If you guys have seen my past videos, you guys will know that I have the highlighting stick to this, so that's really cool. Maybe they already watched me, I don't know. Also, shout out you guys. We reached 105. I know that like that's not a lot, but at the same time, like that's like a huge accomplishment for me. I just like never even thought that people would be watching my videos, yet alone like subscribing, yet alone like we reached over 100. So like thank you guys so much. Then I got a lip comfort oil from Clarins, moisturizing eye mask that I'm going to be using all of these. I mean, like obviously I have to, but like seriously you guys. Primer. I'm super excited to use this. It's Saturday Skin. It's a toner. The cool thing about all of these products, you guys, is that they are all available on Ulta or on Sephora's website. I will be making a little highlight bubble for all the reviews for these products, so make sure you guys are following me on there. Well, I guess it's time to start this. Okay, so I guess let's go ahead and get started with this. It says to wear protective gloves. We don't have the gloves. We have the steaming hot water. We're going to stir in, it says 4 tablespoons of salt. We don't have the liquid salt. We literally only have this. What I'm going to do is just grind. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 2 shots of vodka,
2 shots of vodka.
Call me Salt Bae. Jeez. We're almost there. Okay. Okay. I guess let's just give it a little stir. I am feeling a little salty, if I do say so myself. Pour in the dye mixture and stir. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? They didn't cut the thing all the way down to where I just like, psh. It's not a pretty color. It's like cat litter. It's like cat litter. It's like that cat litter that's like, it's called pretty litter, but it's not so pretty. Oh! Guys. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. What? Oh my god. I'm like sweating over here. But it's literally like making Kool-Aid, you guys. It's like just pour in the dye and stir, and there you go. It says stir until dissolved, and then submerge the fabric and stir for 15 minutes, and then occasionally for 45. So I guess while this is like waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the bands on my my sweatpants. So let's go ahead and do that. Okie dokie. Yikes. Wow. 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 Honestly, I don't even know if this is gonna turn out the way that I want it to turn out. So honestly, this is just like a trial thing. Who knows, maybe they actually might like turn out cool, but these are the sweatpants that I'm going to be using. They are actually my friend's, but she gave them to me. Shout out Natalie. She was on one of the vlogs and my past video. But they have like some stains, as you can see, like right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, there's like some stains. And we're gonna go ahead, and that was one of the reasons why I was going to dye these, because I want to like cover up the stains and make them look cool, you know? Apparently you're supposed to just get a whole bunch of, you know, you're just supposed to like scrunch it up into knots like this. Oh my god, I'm literally sweating out here. Ugh. What's happening? What's happening? I'm savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I don't know what's happening with these pants. I hope they turn out well. Because that would be a shame if they don't. I mean, I don't know. Even if they turn out weird, I feel like I can still fix them. Is this how it's supposed to look? I hope so. I really do be hoping so.
He's kind of hiding right now, but and this is Boo.
Hold on, you guys, just so you guys can see Boo one more time. I'm gonna tell him to send it again. Send more snaps of Boo. Thanks, Boo. Okay, he's gonna watch this video and he's gonna be like, seriously, you had to put that in there? I don't know if the pants are supposed to look like I don't know if the pants are supposed to look like this, but we're gonna go ahead and submerge this into the pot. Submerge the fabric in the dye mixture and stir continually for 15 minutes. Oh god, I'm so scared. Okay, here we go. It literally looks like a pool of like blood. Oh my god, I just spilled that dye everywhere. Oh my god, it's splashing. Okay, there's no way I can stir this. Don't want to go stir crazy. Ha! Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go check on my mom and see if she wants some ice cream because I really want some, so I'm gonna try to convince her. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so these are the pants that are submerged. It literally looks like a bucket of blood with like, I don't know what that would be. I have my, I think this is called Animal Cracker Strawberry Blizzard. I think that's what it's called. This is really confusing. It says rinse fabric in cold water, then wash it in warm water and dry. I don't think these old hags work like that. 11, we'll take it out of the dye, rinse it off, wash it for a little, and then dry it, and then we'll see. I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Okay, hi. I just wanted to give a quick update. It is 11:27 and I had to go and spill out the dye. My hands are a little bit pink. It looked like a crime scene. When I tell you guys it looked like a crime scene, it looked like I was spilling out blood. Literally like washing my bloody clothes. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of pink dye in my garage right now. But as I was taking it out, it said that I had to go ahead and like rinse it and then put it in the wash. I didn't do that because I felt like that was kind of gonna mess up like the point of it being dyed. So I rinsed it out, and it was like rinsing out like the whole dye. Like I was like, what was the point in this? Like if I don't at least like keep a little, right? So I rinsed it. I got a little spray bottle like this, filled it with bleach, and just like squirted it all over. With the rubber band still in, and as you guys can hear, it is in the dryer, and I didn't even put it in the wash. I don't want to wash it. Just got the pants out of the dryer, and I'm not going to put them on because they are still a little dry or a little damp. But they're still a little damp, so I'm not going to put them on because I'm going to put them back in. But this is what they are looking like. Yeah, I think that the bottom is actually like really cool looking because it is darker but like kind of lighter too. I don't know. It is kind of like, I don't know, you guys. Tell me if, I mean, I don't think they're bad looking. I think that later on I'm going to put a little bit more bleach, but honestly, I don't think they're bad. I am definitely going to be wearing these. I would say it worked. I don't know. Honestly, it's about to be 1 a.m. I've been at this since like, I want to say like 9. So I am exhausted. A bitch is exhausted. The more I look at them, the more I like them. I might actually wear these to my doctor's appointment tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I hope you guys enjoyed this very long and very chaotic tutorial. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You know the deal, you know the whole shebang. I'm going to be reviewing some of the products on my Instagram, so if you guys want to see that, head on over there. And everything will be in the description below to all my socials. Thank you guys so much. It's really late and I am gonna go to bed. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye. Stand. Literally every single time I do a video, I'm like either bloated or like I have like some sort of like digestion issue. I'm so sorry. I swear I am not a gross person. Yeah. Scratch that. That was terrible. Tripod with the ring light broke, so I literally am just like making everything, and let me show you guys. It's so bad. Literally doing the most right now. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Literally. But like, okay. There are some people where I literally just like look at their like Snapchats and I'm like, seriously,